Students, here is the last point from the chapter, and that is applications of simultaneous equations. In this point, what you have to do, some word problems are given, you have to convert these into linear equations into variables, and then you have to solve. So here is the first problem. Sum of two numbers is 60. The greater number is 8 more than thrice the smaller number. Find the numbers. The two numbers, those we have to find out, we have to consider these numbers as x and y. You can take any other pair of variables a, b, p, q, m, n. Okay, so here let the two numbers be x and y. Here two conditions are given to us. What is the first condition? Sum of two numbers is 60. By first condition, x plus y equals to 60. This is equation number 1. Then second condition is the greater number is 8 more than thrice the smaller number. You can take x as a greater number or y as a greater number. By second condition, x equals to 3y plus 8. Greater number is 8 more than thrice of the smaller number. So you can solve these equations, simultaneous equations, by substitution method. Putting x equals to 3y plus 8 in equation 1. What we get here? 3y plus 8 plus y equals to 60. 3y plus y, 4y equals to 60 minus 8. 4y equals to 52. Y equals to 52 upon 4. Y equals to 13. Putting this value of y equals to 13 in equation 2. X equals to 3 into 13 plus 8. 13 3s are 39 plus 8 equals to 47. So here the greater number is 47 and smaller number is 13. We get the required result. Let us see one more example. The perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. Find length and breadth. So here also we have to find out length and breadth. So we have taken here length as m centimeter and breadth as n centimeter. Let the length of perimeter be m centimeters and breadth of perimeter be n centimeters. We are provided with two conditions here. The perimeter of rectangle is 40 centimeters. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. So 2 m plus n equals to 40. 2 length plus breadth equals to perimeter. So this 2 is multiplied, it gets divided. M plus n equals to 40 upon 2. M plus n equals to 20. This is equation number 1. What is our second condition? The length of the rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. So length of rectangle M is more than double the breadth by 2. So M equals to 2n plus 2. Putting this value of M equals to 2n plus 2 in equation 1, we get 2n plus 2 plus n equals to 20. This M in the equation is substituted by 2n plus 2. 2n plus n equals to 3n. 3n plus 2 equals to 20. 3n equals to 20 minus 2. 3n equals to 18. n equals to 3. 6 are 18. We get value of n as 6. Putting this value of n equals to 6 in equation 2, we get value of m. m equals to 2 into 6 plus 2. 2 6 are 12 plus 2 14. So the length of rectangle equals to 14 centimeters and breadth of rectangle equals to 6 centimeters. Let us see one more example. Cost of 11 analog and 6 digital watches is rupees 4,330. Cost of 22 analog and 5 digital watches is rupees 7,330. Find the cost of one analog and one digital watch. Here are the two quantities we have to find it out. Cost of one analog watch and cost of one digital watch. So we have to take the variables for these two. Suppose cost of one analog watch be rupees X and cost of one digital watch be rupees Y. What is our first condition? Cost of 11 analog and 6 digital watches is rupees 4,330. So by first condition, 11x plus 6y equals to 4,330. This is equation number 1. What is our second condition? Cost of 22 analog and 5 digital watches is rupees 7,330. So 22x plus 5y equals to 7,330. This is equation number 2. If you observe here, multiplying this equation 1 by 2, we can equate the coefficients of x. Multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get 22x plus 12y equals to 8,660. This is equation number 3. So if you observe these two equations 2 and 3, coefficients of x are equal and these two terms have same sign, so we have to subtract the two equations. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, 22x plus 12y equals to 8,660 minus 22x plus 5y equals to 7,330. When we subtract, we have to change signs of each and every term in the second equation. So 22x minus 22x gets cancelled here. 12y minus 5y equals to 7y. 8,660 minus 7,330 is 1,330. So y equals to 1,330 divided by 7, and the required answer y equals to 190. When we divide 1,330 by 7, we get the result 190. Putting this value of y equals to 190 in equation 1, you can put in any of the three equations. So here, putting y equals to 190 in equation 1, we get 11x plus 6 into 190 equals to 4,330. 11x plus 1,140 equals to 4,330. 11x equals to 4,330 minus 1,140. 11x equals to 3,190. So x equals to 3,190 upon 11. We get the value for x equals to 290. So cost of one analog watch is rupees 290 and cost of one digital watch is rupees 190. So here are some examples as a homework to solve. I will upload this worksheet. First of all, you observe this video and then solve these questions.